Imagine a world where roads can heal themselves. Potholes, cracks, and wear and tear, problems that cost billions every year, could soon be a thing of the past. Welcome to Norway, where the future of smart infrastructure is already taking shape. Engineers in Norway have developed a groundbreaking solution: self-healing roads. These roads are made with a special type of asphalt infused with tiny capsules containing rejuvenating agents like bitumen or even bacteria. When cracks form, these capsules break open, releasing the agents to repair the damage automatically. The concept might sound futuristic, but it's based on simple chemistry. The capsules react with moisture or air, filling in the cracks before they expand. This extends the lifespan of the road, saving money and reducing carbon emissions from constant repairs. Norwegian scientists are testing these materials in some of the country's harshest environments. From freezing winters to heavy rainfall, their goal is to create a road that can endure extreme conditions without constant maintenance. According to estimates, self-healing roads could cut maintenance costs by up to 50% and significantly reduce the environmental impact of roadwork. Norway aims to lead the charge in making this technology a global standard. Self-healing roads are more than a technical achievement. They're a vision of a future where infrastructure works for us and the planet. Stay tuned as Norway continues to pave the way for smarter, greener travel.